if it was any other council, maybe if it was you who is absent, because you're not the lead council, or perhaps who is testifying, then. But anyway, we have to make progress. But those are my sentiments, based on our experience last time. Yeah, and we'll proceed. Yes. Oh, register. Where are the microphones? I can see them lying somewhere. Would that be a microphone there? Okay, so they'll still be able to pick. Okay. I understand it's deliberate. They can still pick and record the proceedings. It's a technical issue which they've attended to. So we'll proceed on that basis.
Last time, the witness was still being re-examined. The defense is now done with the examination.
Why did we postpone? Was it because...
Actually, there was a document that my colleague indicated you wanted to tender. That the document actually left to its death certificate.
No. Wait. He had indicated that he wanted to have his client to have sight of a document. That's number one. And he also wanted to complete re-examination. He still had more questions. So if you are not going to be producing the document, we don't need to describe it, isn't it? So what you are telling us is that you are through with re-examination, and there is no intention to refer to any document, and you have no further questions.
Well, with the consent, once the document becomes
I don't think that procedure is provided for. We really need to be sure how we are proceeding. You can only, without preempting what you intend to do, but we can only go back to your, if something crops up which you are not aware of now. That is the law, is it? But if there's something that you want to refer to now which you are aware of, you might as well exhaust it. We can't approach a matter where he steps down, the second accused person tested, now we go back to him, because he must close his case first. It will be called reopening. Yes, so I don't want to... Correct me if I'm wrong. Look, we all know this procedure. I could be mistaken. Yes.
We have not yet managed to take hold of that document, but it is our belief that within the next 3 to 5 days we will obtain the document.
Have you discussed this with your colleagues at the bar?
Discussing with Ms. Makaos, and he was also saying that if we happen to have the IP number, he can also assist.
Or he is aware of the document that you want to produce? Mr. Mabaudi, can you come in on this?
Discussing years
Oh, okay. Anyway, so what do you want me to record, Mr. Koto, that you are not in a position to produce any further document now?
At the moment,
not in a position and document now as previously intimated, okay? And you are also not putting any more further questions today. So what are you doing? Very well, thank you. You were done with cross-examination, right? Yes. Okay, so it's now our turn.
Yes. I mean that before then, there are also some 20 exhibit number 22, with the state yet indicated that it would prefer that they be authenticated in a way by the institutions.
Okay.
That's since been done.
That has since been done.
Yes.
State, you are happy with that? So you want to place before us the authenticated document? Okay. Registrar? Have you shown counsel for the... Thank you. So, well, you should be telling us how are they authenticated?
Well, that's been authenticated by putting a stamp dated 9 September 2020.
What, so... Why are you giving us 4? So this is what?
That is exhibit number 20.
Exhibit 20. Uh-huh.
Then then authenticated by writing a letter.
Okay.
That is exhibit number 22.
So authentication of exhibit number 22. So, well, that is placed on record. We now have authentication of exhibits 20 and 22. Yes, what is next? No, not yet. We haven't put questions to him. So, Mr. Mpofu, was it the decision of Blackdeck Private Limited to submit this bid in the name of Blackdeck Livestock and Poultry Farming?
isarudzo renyu yamakaita imimi kana zvamakaronga kukampani yeblack deck private limited kuti munge muchiendesa bid renyu rine zita rekuti black deck livestock and poultry farm?
Hongu Black Deck Private Limited yakaita a board resolution yekuti
Black Deck Private Limited held a board resolution
yekusubmita bid riri muzita reBlack Deck Private Limited trading as Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming or Colenso Farm.
They held a resolution in which they decided to submit the bid in the name Black Deck Private Limited, also trading as Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming, also trading as Kolonze Farm.
I don't understand the answer. You are saying a decision was made to submit this bid in the three names.
Mukuti mimi makaronga kuti munge muchiendesa bid rine mazita matatu here.
ndingati hongu nekuti Black Deck Private Limited trading as Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming address yayo iri muno muHarare.
I can say yes because Black Deck Private Limited has its address here in Harare.
And then address ye Black Deck Private Limited trading as Colenso Farm address yayo iri ku Colenso ku farm uMapinga.
Then Black Deck Private Limited, also trading as Kolonzo Farm, has its address in Mapinga.
You said Black Deck Private Limited has its address in Harare.
Yes.
Yes.
Black and what? Which is its address in Mapinga?
Black Deck Private Limited trading as Colenso Farm in address Black Deck Private Limited trading as Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming in address yayo muHarare, and then Black Deck Private Limited trading as Colenso Farm ndo address iri ku Brazil uMapinga.
Black Deck Private Limited has its address in Harare.
I think you should take that answer again.
As Mufano,
You are saying Black Deck Private Limited has its address in Harare.
pamintro yenyu muri kuti here company yeBlack Deck Private Limited ine kero yayo kana address muno muHarare?
Yes, ine ma address 2 ine ku Harare pairi ku trader as Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming.
Yes, it has two addresses. It has an address in Harare whereby it is trading as Black Deck Private Limited.
Wait, trading it would trade as a
That's why I said just try and answer, maybe answer the question again so that we get the full gist of the answer.
Hanzi zokorera kupindura bvunzo iwoyo zvakare kuitira kuti dare rikwanise kunzwisisa mhinduro yenyu zvisere zvakasara.
zvakanaka. Yeah, Black Deck Private Limited ine ma address maviri.
Black Deck Private Limited has two addresses.
Muno muHarare inoshandisa address yeku Greendale by nezita rayo rekuti Black Deck Private Limited trading as Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming.
In Harare, it uses an address which is in Greendale whereby it is going by the name Black Deck Private Limited, also trading as Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming.
And then your Black Deck Private Limited ine imwe address pakuprazi painoita zvinhu zvayo zvefarming nezvelivestock ndo painoshandisa Black Deck Private Limited trading as Colenso Farm. Address yacho iri kuMapinga.
The same company, Black Deck Private Limited, also has another address at its farm, which is Colenso Farm, whereby it is using the name Black Deck Private Limited, also trading as Colenso Farm, and the place is in Mapinga.
Do you have the bid, a copy of the bid?
Mune here copy of bid racho.
Aiwa handina pana.
I do not have a copy.
Can you have a look at it? So the first page tells us who the bidder is.
Papeji rekutanga pari kuratidzwa kuti ndiani munhu aitsvaga bid.
Oh,
Yes.
When I'm looking at that page, who is the bidder?
Kana makatarisa gwaro iroro, bidder ndiani?
Black Deck Private Limited ne trading name yayo yonzi Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming.
The bidder is Black Deck Private Limited, using its trade name Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming.
Yes, I'm not asking you to explain from your knowledge. I'm asking you to tell us what you are seeing there.
Zviri kunzika nedare hatisi kukubvunzai kuti mimi mutsanangure zvamunoziva pfungwa dzenyu. Muri kunzika tsanangurai mimi zvamuri kuona
Who is the bidder?
kuti ndiani wacho aisa bid.
Black Deck Private Limited nerimwe zita riripo rekunzi Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming. Saka kune mazita maviri.
There are two names, Black Deck Private Limited and Black Deck Livestock and Poultry Farming.
And that was intentional.
Saka izvi makazviita henyu nekuzviitisa.
In other words, it was what was intended, that the names appear there.
Ichokwadi.
Izvi makazviita kuti mazita iwayo ese anga angoripo pamagwaro enyu.
Ichokwadi.
Yes.
Any questions arising? Any questions arising, Mr. Any questions arising, State? Any questions arising? Thank you very much for giving evidence. You can now go back to the dock.
Maita henyu mbombo masunungura munokwanisa mukudzokera.
Maita basi.
Mr. Koto?
Yes, this marks the close of the effect.
Thank you, Mr. Koto. Mr. Majuku? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Second accused.
Zita renyu rizere munonzani?
Mike Chimombe.
I'm Mike Chimombe, makasununguka kushandisa mtauro upi.
Sure.
Swear in.
Most obliged, my lord. Ine Mike Chimombe munopika iri pamberi pedare kuti umbo hamuchapa muri mudare muchange chokari chega chisina manyepo. Kana muchipika saizvo simudzai ruoko rwenyu rwerudyi muti Mwari mubatsirei. Rwerudyi.
Mwari mubatsirei.
Witness one, my lord. Sikisai henyu.
Mr. Stole.
Thank you, my lord. Now, business I'll ask you to speak up a little bit.
Mufakazi kamuri kukurudzirwa negweta renyu kuti munge muchisimudzawo izwi renyu pamuchange muchitaura zvinonzwika.
Mr. Chimombe, what do you do for the living?
Vachimo munoite zvinokuraramisai.
Chokutenga ndiri politician.
I'm a politician,
ZANU-PF Central Committee member.
a ZANU-PF Central member,
Central Committee.
Central Committee member.
Uyezve ndiri sachigaro wokutsvaga mari kuMarsh West kuZANU-PF.
I'm the chairperson of fundraising in Marsh West.
Uyezve ndiri founding president Economic Empowerment Group.
I'm the president of the Economic Empowerment Group.
Uyezve ndiri farmer.
I'm also a farmer.
I'm also a business.
Economic what?
Economic Empowerment Group. EEG.
You're also
A farmer, my lord.
A business person.
I'm also a business person.
By business person, what
Muri kureveka muchiti munoita zvebhizimusi muri ani chaivo?
Ndinoti operate makambani akati wandei.
I operate several companies.
Now, do you understand why you are here to host?
Muri kunzwisisawo here kuti nemhaka yei muri muno mudare makamira ipapo? Yes.
In your own words, what is your understanding why you are here?
Mumazwi enyu mimi manzwisisiro amunoitwawo kuti nemhaka yemuri muno angava ichii?
Semaziviro angu ekuti ndive muno mudare musi watasungwa ndeyekuti inini nefirst accused takabatsirana kuti tigadzire mapepa eBlackjack Private Limited.
From my understanding, when we were arrested, myself and the first accused, it was alleged that we connived together and prepared some papers for Blackjack.
That is your understanding.
Ndo manzwisisire nyaya enyu.
Ongu nekuti izvoni takanyepera Ministry of Agriculture kuti kune kambani inonzi Blackjack Livestock and Poultry.
Yes, and also that it was alleged that we lied to the Ministry of Agriculture that there was a company called Blackjack Private Limited.
Are you aware of any term which was floated by the Minister of Agriculture?
Munozvivawo here mimi nezvetenda rakashambadzirwawo neMinistry of Agriculture mugore ra2021?
Ongu
Yes.
Now, okay, you explain to the courts your understanding of that term. What's it about?
Mungakwanisa here kuchitsanangurira dare manzwisisire enyu etenda iroro kuti raimbori riri maringe nei chaizvo?
semaziviro andinoita tenda rakashambadzwa neMinistry of Agriculture ranga riri zvekuenderana nekusupply mbudzi.
From my understanding, the tender which was flighted by the Ministry of Agriculture has to do with the supplying of goats.
And you participate in that term yourself.
Imi mopache zvenyu mune here chikamu chamakaita mutenda iroro?
Inini saMike Chimombe handina zvandakaita nekuda kwekuti tender yanga isingaparticipate nemunhu isiri company.
As Mike Chimombe, in my personal capacity, I did nothing because the tender was not supposed to bid by someone who is not a company or someone in their personal capacity.
Asi imwe company ndiri director mucompany iyo inonzi Militech Enterprises payakadzwa nezvetenda takazoziviswa kuti yakaparticipate mutenda iroro.
A company in which I am a director of, which is Militech Private Limited, also participated in the tender.
Yakatadza kubudirira handiziva hangu nechikodzero chakaita sekuti ibudirire mutenda racho.
But the company was not awarded the tender, and I do not know the reason why it was not awarded the tender.
Now, in Militech Private Limited
Zita recompany yenyu chairo rinova chii? Militech kana kuti Militech Private Limited?
Militech Enterprises Private Limited.
It's called Militech Enterprises Private Limited.
apart from being a director, you hold any position in Militech. You're a shareholder, you're an employee.
Kusiya kwekuva director, mune here chimwe chinzvimbo kana chigaro chamuinacho mukambani yeMilitech? Vanovawo kuvawo mumwe wemashareholders kana?
Ndaingoona chigaro.
I used to have a position.
What was the position?
Chaiva chiri chei chigaro ichocho?
Operations manager.
As the operation manager.
Sorry, operations director.
As the operations director.
When you were operations director,
That question will be taken again.
when did you stop it, or when did you cease the operations director?
Makazomira rini kuva operations director weMilitech?
Muna 2021 takunotanga zvinokukampena zvema-elections.
In 2021, when we commenced campaigns for the elections,
Now, I want to show you or to bring it to charge sheet. Showing this attention
To the church.
Sharidza igwaro matsanangura mhosva yemukomedzero.
Yes, proceed.
Now, before I ask you questions, I want you to explain to the courts if you have got any knowledge of the other companies which participated in the tender.
Adzi tisati takubvunzai mibvunzo tikuda kuti mutsanangurire dare kana mune rumwe ruzivo rwemamwe makambani akavawo nechekuita nekupinda mutenda.
Sorry.
Hanzi musati mabvunzwa mibvunzo negweta renyu vari kuda kuti mutsanangurire dare kana mune rumwe ruzivo rwemamwe makambani akapindawo mumatenda.
Sekunzwa kwandakazviita muno mudare tatanga trial yedu kwaive neBlackjack Private Limited.
From what I heard in court when the trial was kicking off, I got to know that there was a company called Blackjack Private Limited.
nezvikomborero farming.
There was also a company called Zimbabwe Farming.
Then imwe yacho handichanyanyoirangarira.
I do not remember the other company's name.
Now, in respect of Blackjack Private Limited, you have any relationship with Blackjack Private Limited?
Takanangana neBlackjack Private Limited. Imimi mune ukama here wamuinawo neBlackjack Private Limited.
Kwete.
No.
More specific, are you a director of Black Private Limited?
Handinyatsayikawo pajekesa kuti mimiwo muri mumwe ere wemadirector ekublack jack private limited.
handitoiziva. I'm not a director, I'm not an employee, handina chigaro chandinacho kublack jack.
I am unknown to Black Jack Private Limited. I'm not a director or an employee, and I do not hold any position.
Or a shareholder.
I'm also not a shareholder.
What about an entity called by the name Black Livestock and Poultry Farming? You know that entity?
Ko imwe company inonzi Black Jack Livestock and Poultry Farming munoziva nezvayo here?
Cheso chinokuita nekunzi black jack angave mazita ripi neripi handinacho ruzivo naro.
I do not have any knowledge pertaining anything by the name Black Jack. And I do not have anything to do with it.
Now, the state alleges that you, misrepresented the ministry in your tender document that Black Jack Livestock and Poultry Farming was a registered company in Zimbabwe.
Vamuchuchisi vari kutya imimi kamusungwa makanonyepera ministry yeagriculture kuti kambani yeBlack Jack Livestock and Poultry Farming yaiva kambani ine mapepa anozikamwa pamutemo muno muZimbabwe. Musati mapindura manzwisisa here mubvunzo. Yes.
And that you represented or misrepresented that Black Jack Livestock and Poultry Farming has a valid Zimbabwe tax clearance certificate and a valid NASA compliance certificate.
Mukanotika imimi munhu iyoyo kambani yeBlack Jack Livestock and Poultry Farming ine magwaro akakwana ekubhadhara mitero yekuzimura pamwe chete nemagwaro ekunasa ekutevedzera zvese zvinodiwa mumakambani.
Handifunge sekudaro.
I do not believe so.
Ndichaedza kuti nditsanangure ipapo.
I will explain myself.
Inisa
Now, I have a good precedent.
Mubvunzo wakusati wabvunzwa.
So,
Kungoteereresai.
these are the questions. Did you yourself, mention in your personal capacity, ever go to the Minister of Agriculture?
Imimi musungwa makazvimirira pauzina hwenyu makamboenda here kuMinister of Agriculture?
Alleging or representing that Black Jack Livestock and Poultry Farming is a registered company.
Muchimirira kaimimi kuti Black Jack Livestock and Poultry Farming ikambani ine mapepa akanyoreswa munyika zvepamutemo?
kwete handina kupfuura ndakamboenda kuministry.
No, I have never went to the ministry.
Did you ever make a representation that Black Jack Livestock and Poultry Farming has a valid Zimbabwe tax certificate?
Imimiwo makamboendawo here muchinotaura kana muchimiririrawo kuti kambani iyoyi ine mabharo ose akakwana?
Handaigona kudaro because ikambani yatisingatozivawo kana kuti inoparira kupi kana kuti sei, saka handaigona kuenda kuministry chinotaura zvekambani yasingazivi kambani isiri yangu.
It was impossible for me to do that because I have no knowledge of the company.
about in respect of the NASA compliance certificate, did you ever go to the Ministry of Agriculture alleging that elected livestock import company is a valid NASA compliance certificate?
Ko panyaya yegwaro rekunasa ka rinonzi makambani ari kutevedza zvese zvinofana kuitwa, makamboendawo iri kuministry yeagriculture imimi muchinotsanangura kuti kambani iyoyo yeblack deck livestock and poultry farming ine gwaro iro rekunasa compliance certificate?
kwete handina kubvira ndakamboenda kuministry kana gwarawo handitoriziva.
No, I have never approached the ministry, and that I do not know about that document.
Now yourself, first and second accused, did you at any point in time sit with the first accused person and agree to go to the Ministry of Agriculture and allege that black deck livestock import company is a registered company?
Imimi msungwa pamwe chete nemumwe wenyu msungwa yekutanga makambogara pasi here mose muchironga kuti muende kuministry of agriculture munge muchinotaura kakuti kambani yeblack deck livestock and poultry farming ikambani nemagwaro akakwana?
kwete.
No.
Now, I want you to go to exhibit number 1.
Not muende pa exhibit 1.
George.
Although then drawing the witness's attention to the similar certificate.
Similar text, certificate.
Just go to
Mama Papa Gwara. Yes.
I want you to tell the court whether you played any role in the preparation of that document.
Toda kuti kamudze dare kuti here pane chikamuwo here chamakaitawo pakugadzirwa kwegwaro iroro imimi wacho?
gwaro rakabata iri rakanzi black deck private limited handina chokuita neblack deck private limited kutotanga kutoriona muno mukoti semabatiro andakaita izvozvo.
The document I'm holding reads Black Deck Private Limited. I do not have anything to do with Black Deck Private Limited. It is my first time to have sight of the document here in court.
Whenever engaged by Black Deck Private Limited or Black Deck left to the court to prepare that.
Kuti panyatsojeka ka imimi wacho makambotsvagwawo here nevekublack deck private limited kana black deck livestock and poultry farming kuti gwaro iroro ringe richikwanisa kugadzirwa?
kwete.
No.
What about the respect of the first accused? Did he ever engage you for purposes of preparing that document?
Ko musungwa wekutanga uyo akambokutsvagai here kuti munge muchikwanisa kugadzira gwaro iri?
inini samike Chimombe namozisi Mpofu hatina kana musi 1 watombogara pasi kuti tigadzire any documents
We've never sat
black deck.
together with the first accused person to prepare any document.
Now, if you go to exhibit 2,
And I exhibit it too.
there should be documents written what that is NASA National Security Social Security Authority compliance certificate, are you there?
Bongo.
Yes.
Now, just confirm to report whether you had any role in the preparation of that.
chiudzai kadare kuti imimiwo pagwaro ramakabata iro rakanzi National Social Security Authority mune here chikamuwo chamakaita imi mukugadzirwa kwayo.
Sezvanambotaura zvekutanga kuti gwaro randakabata iri ndiri kutotanga kuriona wapo izvozvo handina chakatakaita handina chandinozivo naro.
As I had highlighted earlier on, I have no knowledge of this document and I have nothing to do with it. It is my first time to see it in court.
Oh, thank you. Now, Chimombe, you were in court when the state made the that is right?
Mai vakamunomudare vamuchuchisi pavaiwana umbowo kubva kuvafakazi vavo ndizvo here?
Bongo.
Yes.
And you were also in attendance when Mr. Mpofu, the first accused, testified.
Mai vavo zvakare munomudare zvakare musungo wekutanga waMpofu pavaipa umbowo hwavo.
Bongo.
Yes.
Now, my question to you is, from your knowledge and the evidence which was laid in this court, who submitted the bid document to the Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries?
Kubva kuruzivo rwenyu imimiwo neumbo hwakapiwa munomudare ndiani akaendesa bid kuMinister of Agriculture?
Gwaro reBlack Jack kana private limited kana ndichiri kurangarira rokunzi rakaendeswa natichaona tichidembo oro hazinei kabisira.
If I remember very well, the tender document for Black Deck Private Limited was submitted to the Ministry of Agriculture by one Tishaona Chidembo or and Mativarvari
Hazinei kabisira.
and Ajane Kabisira. Mati Taura Zuzida.
Hachasorangarira kuti pavari 20 yani.
I do not remember who actually submitted the document between the two.
But did you have any role in the submission of that bid document to the Minister of Agriculture?
Imimo mune chikamu chenyu here chamakaitawo pakuendeswa kwedocument iroro kuMinister of Agriculture?
Kwete.
No.
If you may just let me know. Now, Mr. Chimombe, you were here when Mr. Mpofu testified on behalf of the state. You were attending the court.
Mai vamunomudare vanhindurwa pavakamira semufakazi wavamuchuchisi.
Bongo.
Yes.
Now that Mr. Mindoro, Mr. Alfred Mindoro, if I am correct, he said you yourself, Mr. Chimombe, told Mr. Mindoro when you seen the tender being advertised in the newspaper, said you called. Is that true?
Iye kamufakazi yevanhindurwa vakati imimi vaChimombe makavafonera pamakaona kushambadzirwa kwetenda magwaro.
Kwete.
No.
Did he say Mr. Chimombe, the second accused, or he said the first? Who did he speak? Mention?
Seems to have mentioned that it was the first accused, the second accused, but they called it, might be wrong.
What do you recall, State? What do you recall?
About the first encounter, what I recall is that Mr. Mpofu was indicated that they came to them when after the accident, but he collected the first accused.
So he was conversing with the first, he was having telephone contact with the first accused person.
After the first encounter, after
Yes. Did he ever say that he had some he had a telephone call with the second, with the first? Yeah. Yeah, but maybe out of we note that you are putting the question against that background, but just for the avoidance of doubt, so that in case we don't quite remember, we will allow the witness to answer, but we will then consider it based on the correct position on the record. But we will allow the question so that in case our recollection is failing. Yes.
Did you ever telephone Mr. Alvin regarding the individual board's personal skills gender vision?
makambofonerawo here vanhendurwa imimi maringe nechirongwa chembudzi changa chashambadzirwa nehurumende?
Kwete.
No.
Now, Mr. Mundulwa told the court that she would attend the meetings in his presence.
vanhendurwa vakaudza dare kuti imimiwo mune misangano yamaendawo muinavo?
To your knowledge, did you ever attend meetings when Mr. Mundulwa was present?
imimiwo kubva kuruzivo rwenyu mune here misangano yamakamboendawo yanga ina vanhendurwa?
Chokutanga rege nditaura ndichiti Mr. Mundulwa meeting avari kutaura yekutanga kuti ndakaenda navampofu asi si chokwadi.
Firstly, what Mr. Nendurwa said about me attending the first meeting with Mr. Chimombe,
Mpofu.
Mr. Mpofu, the first accused, is not true.
Andina
Nemhaka yemukudaro.
sei ndichidaro handina kuona kana uchiti waenda kuministry pane logbook oro pane maminutes anonyorwa kunzi pane vanhu vaatenda meeting ndananingi kunze kwemeeting one chete yandinoziva ine maminutes arimo nemudare ndo meeting yandinoziva kuti yakatenda naMr. Mpofu.
Ndinokwanisa kuzokorora menzo yenyu kuti machide kutanga.
Okay, ndatizvoni Mr. Mundulwa meeting yekutanga yavanotaura ndinoiramba handina kubva ndakasangana naMr. Mundulwa before awarding of contract or signing of my contracts. Meeting one
I did not meet up with Mr. Nendurwa before the signing or the awarding of the contract.
meeting yandinorangarira unoziva kuti kana uchienda kugovernment offices panonyorwa logbook pane zvinhu zvese zvinominetwa. Mr. Mundulwa kana dare rino harina kukwanisa kuburitsa maminutes emeeting yacho yavanotiti takaita, saka ndinoona meeting yekutanga handina kubvira ndakasangana naMr. Mundulwa.
In that first meeting that Mr. Nendurwa is alleging that I attended, he did not present the minutes of the said meeting to the court.
And handina kubvira ndakavaona.
I never saw him.
Ndakasangana naMr. Mundulwa kune only one meeting.
I only met Mr. Nendurwa in only one meeting.
Inove ine maminutes ine exhibit iri muno mukati medare.
Whose minutes were presented in court.
I want you to have a look at exhibits 15, which is the minutes of the potential scheme.
Exhibit 15.
/27/26.
Iro.
It's exhibit. Yes, it is.
Now, you have said you attended one meeting which is limited.
Mantinini makangoenda kumeeting imwe chete nemaminutes ayo kana ine zvakataurwa zvacho zviri muno mudare. Yes.
Could that be meeting which was referred to as Exhibit 15.
Do you have a meeting in Exhibit 15?
Oh,
Yes.
Now, I just want you to go over with the next page. Now, the other instance there, I would want you to focus on the one to write 16 September 2022.
Pane zvidhindo zvitatuka zviri papo motarisa yakanyorwa kuti 16 September 2022.
Are you there?
Asvika.
Now, in your recollection, when was this meeting held?
Mukuziva kwenyu mimi musangano wakaitwa rini?
sekuziva kwangu musangano uyu unofanira kuvaitwa muna July yasingakanganisi.
From my understanding, the meeting was held in July.
July or
No, focus. Kana mukatsanangura minzwa yenyu mombotisiya tuturikire. Muzotaura kana repera.
Now, in that meeting, you went there in what capacity at school?
Mumusangano iwoyo imimi makaenda muri sani ikoko.
ndichatirondedzerei mbichani.
I will explain a bit.
Musangano uyu first accuse ishamwari yangu tinotamba tese saka akandiinvite akati shamwari uya toda kuti timboenda kumeeting sezvo ndiri member yeEEG.
The first accused person is my friend, and he invited me to attend the meeting as a member of EEG.
tinonzwirara tiri pamwe chete kuti programu yapresident chikutadzisa kuti ichazofamba chii because panenge vasinganyasowiriranawo nevekuministry.
He invited me over so that we can go and get to know of what was happening or what was the gist of contention between the first accused and the ministry.
Saka tasvika ikoko meeting yaifanira kutanga na 10 o'clock. Meeting hainozoita sokudaro kune vanhu vanga vakamirirwawo kuti meeting itange.
When we got there, the meeting was supposed to be starting at 10 o'clock because there were guests which were supposed to arrive.
Now, what was your goal in that meeting, if any?
Imimi chikamu chenyu mumusangano iwoyo chava chei kana manga muinazvo?
Ndanga sina chirova ndaita asi sekuti ndanga ndashedzwawo neshamwari yangu kuti nditeerewo ndinzwewo kuti vari kutaura kuti chii. Saka mumeeting umu handina role yakandaita, handina chinhu chakandataura sezvo ndakaona kuti vapatiza vaitaura vainzwanana.
I did not play any role in the meeting because I realized that the parties were understanding each other.
Did you say anything in that meeting?
Pane zvamakataurawo mumusangano.
Handina kana chinhu wani chakandataura mumeeting.
I did not say anything in the meeting.
Now, if you go back to the first page of those minutes, it says in attendance, you see that part, top part,
Oh.
attendance. Point number 5, it says Mike Chimombe left.
Pari kunzika pagwaro iri pakanyorwa vanhu vanga varimo musangano. Pechi 5 pacho pakanyorwa kuti Mike Chimombe pobva panzi black tag.
Now my question is, did you introduce yourself as Mike Chimombe elected in that meeting?
Mubvunzo wakutika imimiwo mumeeting umu musangano makanozvizivisa here kune vanhu vaivemo kuti muri Mike Chimombe wekublack tag?
Ndikutoshamisika kutoona gwaro rakanzi Mike Chimombe black tag.
I'm surprised to see the document written Mike Chimombe black tag.
Sokuti handina kumvura ndakazointroduce mumeeting saMike Chimombe ndinobva kublack tag.
I never introduced myself as Mike Chimombe who was representing black tag.
asi sokuziva kwangu kukurusa tichitopinda mumeeting vanhu vese vakatozoshamisa kuti nhasi tatsikwa nemashefu ekumusangano kwakanaka.
From my recollection, the people who were in the meeting were surprised to see me in attendance.
ndakazointroducawo member yeEEG.
I introduced myself as a member of EEG.
ndakatowapa mabusiness cards.
And I also supplied them with my business cards.
Okay, my final question on that minute, or those minutes. Were they circulated to you before they were approved by the minister? And I went there, you saw me to read them and see whether they were correct or not.
Zvakataurwa musangano izvi zviri magwaro izvi makambozvipiwawo here imimi zvisatiwo zvaaprovwa nekuministry kuti munge muchizvionawo?
Handina kuzvipiwa. Dai takazvipiwa takaita proof reading taitovagadzirisa pavakati Mike Chimombe black deck.
The minutes were never presented to us. If they were presented to me, I would have corrected them.
Now, Mr.
Okay, Council, I think I understand there's a technical issue to be attended to. We'll take an adjournment until the problem is attended to. Court adjourns.